Okay guys, so right now nandito tayo sa labas. We're doing a pre-wedding photo shoot sa client natin. So this is what's happening right now. So right now guys, we're gonna be going to the church and we're gonna see the setup there. So ayun, nandun din sila Diet, sila Sir Jay, tsaka sila Allen and Miss Jonah. So we're gonna see them later.
A few moments later.
Maglalakad na kami. Sumobra yung grab.
What's up everybody? So right now nandito tayo sa church. Dito na gaganapin yung wedding mamaya. My role is BTS. Ako nagvi-video pero right now hindi ako nagvi-video. Ako yung ini-interview. And thank you kay Diet na siya yung mahawak kayo ng video. So as you can see, the church is wonderful. Ang ganda. So imagine na lang if dito ka kakasalin. Di ba ang ganda? Later, we're gonna ask sa mga teammates ko din. Ask din tayo kung ano din yung mga nangyayari din sa kanila mamaya. So we're gonna see you guys later.
Hi, I'm Hiromi Jansing. So, buong buo talaga. Kuya Jong, super short. Ayan. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa wedding ni Miss Claire and Chris. So, we're preparing for the church ceremony. So, I was assigned to take the BTS photo. Ayan. With an extra catch. That GoPro. Yan. Very beautiful GoPro 11. Yan. Ang nafe-feel ko right now is very nostalgic sa akin kasi ngayon lang ako ulit nakahawak ng camera and nakakamiss mag-shoot. Photo shoot actually. So it's been a while. So I'm kinda excited for that. Alright.
Paulo talaga to your editor for 4.0 management. Dito kami sa simbahan ngayon, so we're going to start with our wedding ceremony. Yung mga boys ngayon nag-shoot na ng back shot for the beauty shot ng bride namin bago pumasok. Later on, pagpasok natin doon, makikita nyo naman yung paglalakad. Entourage the whole event, i-cover namin. So, watch out for it.
Okay, andito tayo sa kalagitnaan ng ceremony. Habang naghihintay tayo, gusto ko magpakilala ako si Diet Mignano, in charge sa dumping ng documentation, ng mga videos and photos and stuff. So ayan, let's go! Hindi tayo pwede magpingay sa loob. Ngayon, iikutin natin yung labas ng church kung saan ginaganap yung wedding ni Miss Claire and Sir Chris. So hashtag, officially, what?
What?
Officially Christianized. Officially declared. Bait. So ito si Potol kasi wala siyang dulo ng tenga. Papasok namin kasi nagsa-start na ulit yung ceremony. Grabe, hindi ako sanay, medyo tahimik dito. Pero ang ganda, no? So pag kinasal ako, ganito rin ka-intimate. Wow!
Pero yeah, to be honest, for na lang. Yan din yung bet kasi intimate lang din. Tignan mo.
Lalapitan natin si Anthony. Ito.
Yes. So, kamusta ka ngayong araw?
Grabe, nakakilabot nung naglalakad na si Miss Claire kanina nung ano.
Grabing goosebumps, no?
Ayos, ganda.
Superb! Yeah! Gusto mo ba, pag kinasal ka ganito rin? Yeah! Chat mo na kami. Patapos na yung wedding. Tamang waitings na lang. Medyo gutom na ako sa reception. Joke lang. Hello? Pwede mo interview? Pwede mo interview? Anong kinain mo?
Pasta.
Masarap.
Hindi. Hindi joke lang, masarap.
Sumbong kita doon sa taas.
Ano ba?
Hello, I'm Aidan.
Alvin Sent.
Nasa reception na tayo sa Raffles Hotel. And as of now, yung registration natin is nasa 90% na. Tatlo na lang yung hinihintay nating guests. Sana dumating na sila para matapos na yung registration.
Today we have a wedding event. I'm the show director for today.
I'm in charge sa visual.
Right now we're waiting for the other guests to arrive and also for the groom and bride to arrive then. Later, we look forward to the success of this event for a smooth and
Smooth and successful wedding reception. Reception to ba?
Hi, I'm Martin. I'm the creative director of this event. Today is Claire and Chris' wedding. The couple is a good friend of ours and a client for more than a decade actually at the same time. And what is happening? So, as you notice, the guests are enjoying their dinner. So this is the first wedding. It's really intimate, like 30 guests pa lang muna to. But the big day is actually happening in the next 4 days in Boracay. So the crew will be flying to Boracay to manage a bigger version of the celebration. And watch out and stay tuned. A bigger version of this, it's going to happen in Boracay in the next 4 days. See you.
So, the Manila event is now finished. Di ba, homie? Yeah. And we're gonna see you guys in
Boracay!
What's up, guys? So it's 2:56 in the morning, and about 3:30 I'm gonna head down to the airport, and we're tired. Yan, naantok pa yan. Yan pa. So magpe-prepare muna kami, and then we're gonna see you guys in the airport.
kanina, NAIA Terminal 2, and now check-in kami ng mga luggage ngayon. And we're here outside of the lane. Kami ni Diet. Nag-aantay lang din. Antok. I feel sleepy. Pero okay lang. Okay, patapos na kami mag-load. Go surf 50.
Go surf 50.
So yeah. Papasok na kami sa ano. Saan tayo? Holding area.
Hero ka ba?
Hiromi.
Doon to ba to? Ito si Omi. We're now boarding. We're off to board. Yay! Okay, nasa ano na kami? Nasa aeroplano. Nasa bus na kami. Papuntang Pakubaw. Pakubaw. Oh, kakain muna kami mamaya sa Jollibee. Nandito na kami sa Katiklan. Nandito kami sa Katiklan.
What's up guys? We are here at Katiklan, Western Visayas. And we're going to... Di ba punta pa tayo ng port? Punta pa tayo ng port?
Yeah, punta tayo ng port. And then, after ng port, sasakay tayo ng bangka. And then we're gonna go to Boracay Island.
Ang galing! Anto!
Thailand. So, dito kami sa Dimon ngayon. And we're looking for our team. Kung saan sila ngayon. And we don't know where they are. Ngayon guys, maghanap kami ng food.
For dinner.
Yeah. Or ay!
Iba ang goal niya.
Magpakabusog kasi gagamitin. Ganon.
Ambassador po. We're going to Ambassador. Kami lang po. Sige. Kaya.
Yeah, dito kami sa Boracay. Specifically, we're in the Lind Boracay Hotel. Nandito naman tayo sa second venue ng wedding nila Mr. and Mrs. Chris and Claire. So right now, nagsiset up na naman. And it's so exciting because for me, this is my first time here in Boracay. It's wonderful. As taga-isla din, and first time din dito, I was surprised ang fine ng sand nila. So ayun. Dito naman, nagsiset up and then they're building sand castle. So later guys, we're gonna see the full setup and then we're gonna take some videos out of it. So stay tuned. Okay. Alright guys, so papunta na kami sa beachfront. We're setting up. And also, nagtetekra na din kami ngayon. Wow! Ang ganda. Super ganda. So imagine guys, ito ay kakasal. The view. Oh my God. The view is epic. Yeah, it's giving Hawaii. Havayanas. So, ang ganda. I mean like, this is 4.0 guys. Alright guys, now the wedding is starting. They're saying their vows. Okay, I'm gonna let you see.
This is one of the best events I ever attended. Everything is well planned and organized. So yeah, I would surely recommend it. You have fun?
Yes, it's fun. So far for me, it's organized. Okay naman and well instructed.
Oh, di ba? Very smooth ang pagkaka-organized.
If I'm gonna get married, I'm gonna get them. Oh! But I need some mula. Magkano ba kayo?
Actually, super happy kami. We're so happy. It was more than what we expected so far. Yeah. As always.
Yeah.
4.0 is always awesome.
Yeah. Yes. When I was walking, it's giving me goosebumps. Like, me myself, I'm so amazed. So, what more yung mga guests? I know.
Yeah, we're having fun
so
far.
Yeah.
Thank you
Sobra.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. We love you.
Yeah.
I'm Anka. So we're under talent coordination and also registration.
So right now, nasa reception na tayo and kakatapos lang ng wedding. The wedding is fun, it is very organized and first time din namin
First time namin mag-work in Boracay. Usually kasi for ano lang siya, usually for a vacation. Now we're living a work-life balance kind of setup. So yesterday, nasa beach kami, swim, and then now work whole day. And then tomorrow, island hopping naman kami.
Sa talent coordination and then sa coordination din ng mga bridesmaid and mga principal sponsors natin. Yung kanina, syempre madaming sabay-sabay yung nangyayari during the event. And then sabay-sabay din yung nagsasalita sa comset. And then ayun, pagka-start na kasi ng program, nabibuild na rin yung tension sa lahat. Pero after naman nun, fulfilling yung feeling kapag nagawa ng maayos. Looking forward sa island hopping namin.
Looking forward mag-slip after this.
Yes.
Mag-slip at maligo.
After the event. For me, the work-life balance talaga. 5 days kami dito and then halos 4 days din yung pagsuswim namin sa beach and then 2 days, 1 day yung preparation and then today yung event. So, work-life balance talaga.
For me, setting aside yung personal reward, which is nga nasa Boracay kami now, another reward din kasi I've talked with the clients kanina. So, very fulfilling na sila mismo, si Sir Chris and also si Ma'am Claire, na very satisfied sila and they're very happy sa outcome na nagawa ni 4.0 management. So, I take also pride in that. Ayan.
Boracay, napakainit. Kailangan sobrang init. Sakay na kami guys. Ito. Kaway-kaway. Vacation time. Namang gala.